I make use of the opportunity of Black Friday. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra Dana. So if it's your first time scrolling down to my channel, you are welcome. And to my old and new subscriber, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always tuning in my channel. So today's video, I don't want to bore you guys at all. Besides, compliment of the season, it's December and it's my birth month. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a lot of things I purchased from Zalando. Besides, it was last week here that is Black Friday, so I had the opportunity to make a lot of buying, a lot of goodies. I always bring good things for you guys to see, because there was a lot of sales going on last week. So I purchased a lot of things from Zalando and I'll be sharing all of them with you. First, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Then I'm going to try on. This one is a boot. This one is a guest boot. So this is the leather guest boots. Yeah. This leather boot is actually good for this season, this weather. Yeah. So I like it. The second one is this Steve Madden. This one is the sneakers. Wow, I love the color, the nude color. It's really soft. See, it's a soft sneakers, and it's comfortable. This sneakers is really comfortable. The third one here, this is the Guess nude bag. It's really, I like this nude pattern of this Guess, and it also come with this cross handle here. This button down blazer, I got it from Mango. It's a set, a blazer and a skirt. This is the skirt. This complete is actually good for this weather. I'm going to be leaving the original prices up and the pictures, so you guys can understand what I'm actually talking about. And I'm going to also be leaving the half price from Zalando, which is the black says. And it's the hoodie. This one is a complete hoodie. This one, I got this one from the name of the brand of this one is really new to me, and this one is cool. You can see it here, the trouser. Why this one is the sweatshirt. Moreover, I'm going to be trying all of them, so you guys can rate which one is your favorite one. This one is the round sweat top that I got from Mango. I love the hand details. It's really, this button and details is really elegant. This one here. Also this one too. This is the red leather trouser here. It's really comfortable. It's not that tight. It's not a stretchy leather, but it's comfortable. This one here is also shiny black leather here. This shiny black leather. This one, I got this one from Miss Guide. This one here. So guys, I got this boots. I got this blue satin high boot from Zara. This one is from Zara. This one here. One on my list. The last one on my list is this sandals. I got this one from Mango. Some sandals here from Mango. So guys, I'm going to be trying all this now. Moreover, this outfit I'm wearing, I actually got it from Zara. I'm going to be standing on, I'm going to be showing you the full outfit. It's a complete set. Okay, it's a top and a skirt. So I'm going to be showing you how I style what I'm wearing. Guys, if you've watched this video till this very end, tell me what you like about this video. Tell me which one is your favorite style, which one you prefer most, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Each time I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Share with your friends, share with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much for watching. So till we meet again in my next video. Bye.